Good morning, dear student. Welcome in Sanskar Science Academy online classes again. Budagorji Junjunu. So, dear student, in last class, I told you about sexual reproduction in plant. यानी प्लांट में सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन कैसे होता है. Actually, events which are included in sexual reproduction are categorized into three parts. Number one, before fertilization. Second, fertilization. And third, after fertilization. So total events of sexual reproduction are categorized into three parts: before fertilization, fertilization, and after fertilization. Before fertilization, two events are included. One is formation of गैमेट, यानी पहला जो पॉइंट है वो है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैमेट. एंड सेकेंड, ट्रांसफर ऑफ गैमेट. So today our point is formation of gamete. Actually, gametes are of two types. One is male gamete and second is or another is female gamete. Okay. So especially male and female gamete are produced by flower. So I can say flower is a sexual part of a plant. Especially in flower, male reproductive organs are present, which is known as stamen. So first question, give the name of male reproductive organ. So your answer is stamen. Now it is structure of stamen. So stamen is divided into three parts. It is filamentous part, so it is known as filament. So first part is a filament. It is a basal part of stamen. It is stamen. Second part is connective, and third part is and it is most important part of stamen. So stamen is divided into three parts: filament, connective and anther. In the transverse section, जब हम लोग इसका TS transverse section लेते हैं, anther has either two lobes or one lobe. These lobes are known as anther lobe. If anther has two anther lobes, so this type of stamen is known as dithecous, and if a stamen has single anther lobe, it is called monothecous. So it is dithecous and it is monothecous stamen. Each anther lobe. Each anther lobe has two pollen sacs. So I can say, especially in Dithecus stamen, four anther lobes, four pollen sacs are present. But in Monothecus, which is found in monocot plant, has only two anther lobe. Two pollen sac, not anther lobe. So especially in Dithecus anther, two anther lobe and four pollen sacs are present, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in Monothecus, only single anther lobe and two pollen sacs are present. Clear? In pollen sac, it is a pollen sac. In pollen sac, many diploid cells are present. Diploid, it means two N cells. These are many diploid cells are present, in which one cell or another cells act as a microspore mother cell. Okay, so in pollen sac, microspore mother cells are present, which are haploid. These cells undergoes into meiotic division or meiosis to form, क्या बना लेंगे, to form microspore, and microspores are haploid, and number of microspore are 4. Why it is 4? Because in the meiotic division or in the meiotic division, or meiosis, one cell produce or divide into 4 cells. Okay, and each cell has half number of chromosome, so microspore are n. Is that clear? Okay. 4 microspores are attached to each other in the various form. In various plant, अलग अलग plant में अलग अलग तरीके से क्या होते हैं, अटैच होते हैं. After some time, these microspore detach to each other and convert into pollen grain. And pollen grain, after the pollination, I repeat, and the pollen grain after the pollination produce male gamete, which is called as anthrozoids. So here is objective for question. One is give the name of male reproductive organ. So your answer is stamen. Second, how many anther lobes are present in dicot plant? Your answer is 2. In monocot plant, only 2 anther lobes are present. This type of anther is called as dithecus and it is monothecus. Each anther lobe bear 2 pollen sacs. So in dithecus, 4 pollen sacs are present, or in monothecus only 2 pollen sacs are present. In pollen sac, many microspore mother cells are present, which are haploid, and they undergoes into meiotic division to produce microspore, and number of microspore are 4, and all microspore are haploid. And special thing is microspore is first cell of male gametophyte. So write the name of first step of male gametophyte. Your answer is microspore. 4 microspores are attached to each other. After some time they detach to each other and convert into pollen grain, and pollen grain also haploid. After the pollination, pollen grain produce male gametes, or just I can say 2 male gamete, because for the male gamete pollen grain undergoes into mitosis. Okay, and male name of male gamete is anthrozoids. So how male gametes are produced in plant? It is clear. Now second point, formation of female gamete. Before the formation of female gamete, here 3 word is very compulsory. One is carpel, second megasporangium, third megaspore, next female gametophyte, and last female gamete, which is called egg cell. Is that clear? One is carpel or pistil, second megasporangium, third megaspore, female gametophyte, and female gamete, which is called as egg cell. So it is carpel or female reproductive organ. This part is known as ovary. It is called as style, and topmost part is called as stigma. So I can say carpel is divided into 3 parts: ovary, style, and stigma. And in ovary, another round structure is present, which is called ovule, ovule, and ovule act as a megasporangium. Okay, so give the name of megasporangium of plant. So your answer is ovule, and ovule is present in ovaries. After the fertilization process, ovule convert into seed and ovary convert into fruit. So especially seed is covered by fruit. Okay, seed is covered by fruit or fruit layer, and this type of plant are called as angiosperm. In angiosperm plant, seed is covered by fruit layers. Okay, now structure of megasporangium we discuss about in next class. Thanks, have a good day.